In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a Monday.com board using a template and different views. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on your main homepage. From here, we're going to start by creating a new board from a template. Look towards the area where you can add a new board or workspace. When you see the option that's highlighted on your screen, go ahead and click it. This will open up the creation flow for a new board. Next, choose the option to start with a template. Using templates is a great way to save time because they come pre-built with groups, columns, and views that are already structured for common workflows. When the Template Center opens, you'll first land on a featured template section. You might see some highlighted areas or categories that Monday.com is promoting. Click on the highlighted areas to move from the featured section into the full list of all templates. Once you're in the full template library, look for the search field that's highlighted. Click into that field and type your keyword to find the specific template you want to use. When the right template appears in the list below, click on it. This will open the template details page where you can see a description and preview. Here, click on the Use Template button to create a new board from it. After the board is created, you'll be taken straight into it. You'll likely see groups such as days or phases. Click on the group labeled Day 01 so you can focus on that section. Inside this group, click on one of the items, such as the one with a date like April 21st, 2021. This opens the item details so you can review or adjust its information. If you see any highlighted options or fields within that item view, click them to explore additional details or settings. Back on the main board, you'll also see items like quotes or inspiration text. Click on a row with a phrase such as "grow through what you go through," and then click on the inspiration column or label. If inspiration appears more than once, click it again to make sure that view or column is fully selected and active. Now let's customize the board style. Look for the board settings or design area that's highlighted, and click through the highlighted options until you see Edit Brand Colors. Select that option. Here, you can adjust the colors used across your board to better match your brand or make statuses easier to recognize. When you're done, click on the highlighted confirmation area to save those changes. Next, add a bit more structure by creating a new group. On the board, look toward the bottom of your list of groups and click on Add New Group. This is useful when you want to separate tasks by stage, week, or any other category. After the group appears, click into its name, which will be highlighted, and rename it to something meaningful for your workflow. Now we'll explore different ways to view your data. At the top of the board, locate the area where board views are listed. Click on the highlighted element that opens the view selector. Then choose Calendar. You may need to click Calendar more than once as you move from selecting it to opening the dedicated calendar view. The calendar view will show your items organized by date so you can quickly see what's scheduled when. From here, you can easily switch between other views. Click on Files to see all attachments related to items on your board, organized in a single place. Then click on Timeline to get a horizontal, time-based view of your tasks, which is great for planning projects and seeing overlaps. Next, click on Kanban to visualize your work as cards and columns, perfect for tracking progress through different stages. After that, click on Word Cloud to see a visual representation of the most common words from your items or updates. Finally, in the same Views area, click on Ready to Schedule. This view helps you focus on items that are prepared and just need to be placed on your calendar or timeline. By moving through these views, you can manage the same board data in multiple, flexible ways without changing the underlying information.